Hey Zoo, we got to shoot the LAN-Cool 3 video today.
Okay, can I do this in the video, please?
No.
Can I do this in the video, please? It's like opening doors.
No. Just shoot the intro.
At least can I peel this? Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the LAN-Cool 3. It's the best case ever. Let's begin. What the hell?
So Lian announced this case way back in February in the Digital Expo. Now you guys might be asking yourself, how did they manage to make the LAN-Cool 2 even better? Well, इसका जवाब easy है. ये वीडियो पूरी ही देखिए. Okay, शुरू करते हैं exterior से. So these hinges open the side panels, which by the way are still following the Lamborghini Darwaze design. Nice to see Lian continuing with what actually worked last time. A similar hinge design is followed to unlock the front fan bracket. मतलब assembly कम खेल ज़्यादा हो रहा है इसमें. Front I/O में सब मिलता है. USB, audio, power, light control, and the front I/O can actually be mounted on the bottom, which kind of makes it very convenient. Okay. Come around the back and you'll see the lower panel is also mesh now. Lian कहता है इससे airflow और अच्छा होगा. We didn't actually get कैसा अच्छा होगा, but we'll see. So Lian actually went crazy on the LAN-Cool 3. इसका stock configuration comes with 3 140mm fans up front. Now they'll be RGB if you opt for the RGB variant of this case. ये करने के बाद Lian सोचा इसमें airflow कैसे बढ़ाएं, और इसके जवाब की खोज में LAN-Cool 3 के अंदर ट्रिपल 360mm रेडिएटर लग सकता है. ट्रिपल. Keep in mind, this isn't a full tower case. Basically, they followed the recipe of O11 Dynamic where everything is compatible with the case but changed the design to look more traditional and minimalistic. Also, the cable pass-through position can be moved front and back. And you thought that was all? Nahi bhai. There's also room for a distro plate in here. So what Lian has done here is they made a mid-tower case compatible with every possible thing in the history of computers and decided to sell it. लेकिन खरीदने से पहले बाकी चीजों भी सुन लो प्लीज. Now talking about storage, अगर आप नीचे के 3 फैंस यूटिलाइज नहीं कर रहे हो, you can easily fit up to 8 2.5-inch SATA SSDs, like literally 8. Honestly speaking, the bottom 3 fans are probably not needed for cooling, and you'll be even sorted with the top and front 3 fans. As for the HDD mounting, Lian is added up to 4 full-size 3.5-inch HDDs. Now just think about it. 4 3.5-inch, 8 SATA और NVMe तो है ही. मतलब you probably don't need a full tower anymore. As for the HDD mounting, Lian ने थोड़ा सा innovation छिड़क दिया. The HDD brackets are now individually removable. ये करने से दो चीज होती है. एक तो ये airflow में help कर सकता है बढ़ाने में. दूसरा ये है कि आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो यार. 60% of the viewers are not subscribed. Why? No one cares. Sad YouTuber noises. Okay, since this case has done many changes for better airflow, let's compare it to the predecessor. Stock configuration और extra fans के साथ भी देखते हैं. ग्राफ से ये आपको समझ में आएगा कि temperatures are definitely dropping. These changes are actually making a difference. मतलब है, noticeable है. Now Phanteks, Lian and NGXT are actually doing innovative things in terms of case design recently. Let us know if you like to watch a comparison between all of these.
Pricing की बात कौन करेगा?
As for the pricing, just like the economy, inflation आ चुका है. It's real. The LAN-Cool 2 was priced around 9K, whereas the LAN-Cool 3 ranges from 12 to 13.5K, depending on the model. Differences being RGB fans, exterior color, and the aluminum finish wala front handle. Obviously, this is a big jump in price, but so is the jump in the feature set and other performance. For people who are just looking for a normal mid-tower, the LAN-Cool 2 is a compelling option. बट वो लोग जिनको अपने पीसी से आखिरी ड्रॉप ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस भी निकालना है, लाइक निचोड़ लेना है, LAN-Cool 3 आपके लिए अच्छा है बिकॉज लिक्विड कूलिंग सपोर्ट है. 3 360mm है. इनफैक्ट आप इस पे वो भी इजीली माउंट कर सकते हो, आपके पंप्स एक्सेट्रा. सो या इट्स गुड. So this case has been launched, and so if you're looking to get your hands on this, do reach out to us on our social handles, our toll-free number, or email, or YouTube comments, or however you want to reach us. So all of this is on the screen. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned to the next.